The researchers report that the Venus atmosphere contains an amino acid that is found in DNA. Now, a team of researchers claims they have discovered the amino acid glycine in the Venus atmosphere. Does it feels like all eyes are on Venus these days? The discovery of the potential biomarker phosphine in the planet's upper atmosphere last month gathered a lot of attention. There is still some uncertainty around what the phosphine discovered means, though. The paper announcing the finding is titled as the detection of simplest amino acid glycine in the atmosphere of Venus. This has been published by the research scholar from Department of Physics in Midnapore College in West Bengal, India. The paper is at research at the university. There are about 500 known amino acids, but only 20 are present in the genetic code. Glycine is the simplest of them. Though glycine and other amino acids are in biosignatures, they are some of the building blocks of life. In fact, they are building blocks of proteins. They were also some of the first organic molecules to appear on the earth. Glycine is important for the development of proteins and biological compounds. So in the paper, the author wrote its detection in the atmosphere of Venus might be one of the keys to understanding the formation mechanisms of prebiotic molecules in the atmosphere of Venus. The upper atmosphere of Venus may be going through nearly the same biological method as Earth billions of years ago. Those two sentences pack a real punch. Could there be some kind of biological process going on in the clouds of Venus? It might be one of the keys, and it may be going through the same thing Earth we did. So in the mid of September, a team of researchers reported finding phosphine in the upper atmosphere of Venus. Like glycine, it was also detected more strongly at mid-latitudes. So the detection of glycine, if confirmed, is another intriguing development to the quest and understand the rise of life in Venus. Or it may be showing us the chemistry that appears to be prebiotic is only prebiotic in rare cases, and the rest of the time it means next to nothing. There is so much we don't know, and missions to the Venus are the only way to find out more and to answer some of our questions. But for now, we can rest assured that life hasn't been found on Venus. Instead, we may have uncovered just one more piece of jigsaw puzzle, that is Venus' complicated atmosphere. Stay connected for another interesting video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.